Hi guys, how are you all? I hope all are doing great outside. In this video, I am going to share how to make a lip balm that is perfect for this monsoon season. Welcome to Kajal Cosmetics. We are going to make this lip balm today. You can see it has a natural rose color in it that was extracted from a plant root called Alkanet root. Okay. We only need 5 ingredients to make this DIY lip balm. So let's dive into making. Now we can measure our ingredients. First, I am taking beeswax here. Beeswax has an anti-inflammatory property that soothes our lips and it gives glossy finish to our lip products. Our second ingredient is shea butter. Shea butter is known for powerful moisturization property. This is coconut oil infused with Alkanet root. Now I am going to strain it. This Alkanet root gives that ruby red color. While mixing it into our lip balm, it gives the natural rose shade color. Now I am measuring vanilla lip flavor oil. This gives an amazing vanilla fragrance to the lip balm. Sweet almond oil has vitamin E, natural antioxidant, and it has an healing property to the lips. You can see that coconut infused oil, how it's red in color. Now we are going to add our ingredients. We can melt this lip balm base here using double boiler method. You can see the shea butter is melting, but beeswax takes little time to melt. You can see everything is melted completely here. Now we are going to add our lip flavor vanilla oil here. We can pour this lip balm into our container. After 30 minutes, you can see the lip balm has settled completely. You can see it has a natural rose tint in it and it is perfect for dry chapped lips and it is a perfect companion for this monsoon season. You can use it as a night treatment for your lips and it is a great addition in your skincare routine. If you like this video, kindly support and share my channel. If you have any doubts or queries, you can post it in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.